across the burn zones are waiting to hear about when they can return to class.
In the Palisades area, there is a plea for Palisades Charter High School to find a location where students can continue their education under one roof and together.
It's really devastating to see this impact.
The fire badly damaged Palisades Charter High School, leaving more than 3,000 students without a place to learn.
The whole student body is devastated, of course. To see the community and the school burn down is just a horrific sight.